Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a perfume, guys. So to make a perfume is very easy, guys. So now we are going to use only three things, which is ethanol, neutralizer, and essential oil. So now our essential oil is vanilla, because vanilla has that taste, guys, that smell. The aroma is nice, guys. So our ethanol, 30 milliliter. Our neutralizer is 18 milliliter and 30 drops of essential oil. So let's start mixing. We put our ethanol and then our 30 drops of essential oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And then neutralizer, guys. We put neutralizer in and then we mix it together, guys. We mix it together. And then after mixing it, you look for a container. To put it in. And then close it. And then voila! It smells nice, guys. So yeah, guys, but we have so many methods of making a perfume. Or you can just put alcohol and essential oil. Essential oil, guys, you can put anyone you want. You can put vanilla, you can put anything, orange, whatever, any flavor you want, guys. So, and again, if you love maybe flowers, you can pick your flowers and put it in the container and then put your mixture. It will smell nice. Or maybe if you love orange smell, you can grate some orange, put it before you put your mixture, and put your mixture, guys. It will smell very nice, guys. So yeah, guys, please comment, please share, and please, guys, subscribe. See you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye. So yeah, guys, before I forget, after a day, look for a container like something like this, a nice container, and then put your perfume in it, guys. Something like this, guys, something nice, something unique. So yeah, guys, see you on my next video.